Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to transfer money from Revolut to Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be doing the Interactive Brokers part on web and the Revolut part on the mobile app. First, log into your Interactive Brokers client portal. At the top navigation menu, click on Transfer and Pay, then click Transfer Funds. If you manage multiple accounts, use the account selector to choose the correct one, then click Continue. On the Transfer Funds page, click Deposit Funds. You'll see the deposit method selection screen appear. Click Use a new deposit method, then select Bank Wire from the options. At this point, you'll also need to select your currency. Choose the one you'll be sending from Revolut, usually USD or Euros. Next, you'll see the bank information form. In the Sending Institution field, type Revolut. Then, add an account nickname. You can call it whatever you like, something like Revolut USD. Choose Yes if you want to save this for future deposits, or No if you don't. Now enter the deposit amount you want to transfer. Once you've entered it, click Get Wire Instructions. The page will display all the wire transfer details you need: beneficiary bank name, SWIFT or BIC code, beneficiary account number or IBAN, and a reference message containing your Interactive Brokers account number. Screenshot this page or write down these details somewhere you can access on your phone. You'll need them in a moment. The reference message is especially important because it tells Interactive Brokers which account to credit the funds to. Once you've saved the details, click Finish. Now switch to your phone and open the Revolut app. Tap the Payments tab at the bottom, then tap the plus symbol in the top left to create a new payment. Tap Bank to add a bank recipient. You'll see a form where you enter the recipient details. Fill in the beneficiary name exactly as it appeared in the Interactive Brokers wire instructions. Then enter the account number or IBAN and the SWIFT or BIC code, all from the details you saved earlier. Make sure you're using the account details that match the currency you're sending. Below the amount field, you'll see a reference field. Tap it and enter your Interactive Brokers account number exactly as it was shown in the wire instructions. This step is critical. Without this reference, Interactive Brokers won't be able to match the deposit to your account. Now enter the amount you want to transfer and make sure the currency matches what you selected in Interactive Brokers. If you need to change the currency, tap the downward arrow next to the amount and select the right one from the list. Review the transfer details. You'll see a breakdown of any fees Revolut charges for the wire transfer and an estimated arrival time. Once you've double-checked everything, tap Send at the bottom to finalize the transfer. You'll get a notification confirming the payment's been sent. The funds usually arrive in your Interactive Brokers account within 1 to 3 business days. You can track the deposit status by logging into Interactive Brokers and going to Transfer and Pay. Then Transaction History it'll show as pending receipt until it arrives, then available once it's credited. Interactive Brokers will also email you when the funds are ready to use. Hope this helped. If it did, drop a like and subscribe. See you next time.